Hello guys and welcome to another video. If this is your first time to my channel, my name is Eleftheria and today we are going to review another course by Udemy, which is also free, and it's called AngularJS For Beginners. I'm going to leave the link for this course in the description box where you can find more information also. So, as I've already said, the course is named AngularJS for Beginners and I have gave 3 out of 5 stars. So let's go to overview and let's go to the about this course section, and it says create web applications, create hybrid apps for Android and iOS, create single page applications, and all these are going to be made in 3 hours. Okay, 3 hours to create hybrid apps for Android and iOS and create single page applications? Maybe too much? Well, we'll see. The skill level is all levels, although in the in the title it says AngularJS for Beginners. Okay. The language is English and the teacher has a great accent, so I'm sure you will understand him perfectly. In the description you will find a lot of useful things, which is great. I like when they have a big description so you know what you're getting into. We have the requirements, we have what am I going to get from this course and what is the target audience. What I really liked is the student. So you have your shoot for the audience, but you have also your student, which is looking for more advanced Angular.js material. The instructor is Stone River e-learning. I mean, this is not an instructor, is like a company or something, but it has some great teachers. Okay, so let's continue with the course content. And here you have 9 sections. In this section there are videos and there are some external resources which I also find really helpful. One of the advantages of this course is that you will notice they have short videos, and I really like that because you can watch it, like if you have 5 minutes you can just watch a video or 2, whereas some other videos that have like 15 minutes, I don't think this is very helpful because like you don't always have 50 minutes, but 5 minutes it's most probably that you will have. So every section is like that, like from 1 minute to maybe 5 or 6 minutes. And then let's go up to the Q&A. Here there are some questions and the teacher usually answers this kind of questions, but I'm going here in this tab in a little bit. First let's go to the announcements, and the last announcement was 2 years ago. Okay, some time has passed, but yeah, alright. And in this tutorial you will learn how to make a lot of things, as the overview says, but the most important thing is that you will learn how to do a to-do app. And I think that this is very important because a lot of times if you're going to an interview, if you are going for a front-end developer or for an Angular JS developer, you will be asked to code something, and this something is quite likely to be a to-do app. So I really like the fact that the teacher thought, I guess maybe this or something similar, and he tells you how to build this to-do app. But now let's go to the Q&A and why I gave this rate, like why I gave 3 out of 5. If you look at the questions here, you will notice a pattern. Many people have problem that they can't view the code, they can't view the screen of the author or the teacher. So I remember that I couldn't also watch what the teacher was reading in his screen, and sometimes the code wouldn't be provided. So if I can't see the code and I don't have the code in a file and I'm a beginner, then how am I supposed to do the app? So that was my main problem, and that's why I gave this rate. So I also read in the questions that a lot of people had the same problem. Like this one. Yeah, for the love of God, how about a larger font? Is that asking too much? Thanks for nothing. I mean, okay, maybe this is like too much, but I mean, the problem with the text font for me, I mean, it was big, and I was only using my laptop screen, which is the regular size, I guess, but yeah, I had a problem. Anyway, I really liked the to-do app, and I would recommend if you only want to learn how to make a to-do app. But other than that, you must remember that you won't be able to see very clear the code. So that's it, guys, for this review. I hope that you liked it, and please share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have a great day, and see you in the next review. Bye!